Stop wasting money. Most of our customers that uses hard chrome to repair their components now are switching to HVOF, and here's why. Welcome to Technocraft, specializing in over 20 years to repair rotating equipment. What is HVOF? HVOF is an advanced thermal spray coating where powder materials are heated and accelerated to supersonic speed. That creates extremely dense, well-bonded coatings with very minimal porosity. HVOF harder than hard chrome, which resulting better wear resistance. HVOF bond strength is twice stronger than hard chrome, which made the coating not easy to peel off. With less than 1% of porosity, better corrosion resistance than hard chrome, HVOF is environmentally friendly and has smoother surface finish compared to hard chrome. Why maintenance engineers switch to HVOF over hard chrome because of these benefits? With HVOF repair, we make your ex-use shelf become new again with lower cost compared to replacing the new ones. Let's partner with us to discuss your repair needs. Technocraft, your repair solutions.